All right. An unboxing here, the Marshall DSL40 CR. Got it for Guitar Center. There's a lot of good reviews. I heard some bad shit too, but we'll see how good this thing is. I needed a grab and go tube amp, so I can bring it somewhere, rehearse, and take it right out with me. So we'll see how this thing sounds. We'll do the unboxing right now and maybe plug it in. All right. As you can probably see, I have other Marshalls here. I love Marshall. Supposedly these newer ones are better than some of the ones that were released a few years ago. So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna try this out. It's got a little weight to it. Right. Plug it in, see if it's working. See if we can get some good tones out of it. Let's see. Big test right here to see how heavy it is. Oh, it's not that bad. Not light, but it's not super heavy. What we got in here? This is probably foot switch and whatever instructions they give, the power cord, right? It's only a two-way foot switch that they give you. There's the power cord. And two-way switch, foot switch. Right there. Okay. And you got your booklet. All right. That's pretty much the unboxing right there. Let's put this stuff aside. Over here. And let's take it out of the bag. And we'll plug her in. I guess we'll hook a Les Paul up to it. Throw it on top of this orange cabinet. Looks nice. Looks nice. But does it play nice? Does it sound nice? Hopefully this is getting in that video. There you go. All right. Let's plug her in. Let it warm up a little bit. And we'll see how this goes. All right. Marshalls always look good. I was gonna get the white one, but I got a good deal on this from Guitar Center because Sam Ash is going out of business. So they had this thing on sale for. Sam Ash had it on sale for $7.29, and I think Guitar Center, it's like listed $9.99. I think they just dropped it to $100, but I called up Guitar Center and said, listen, Sam Ash got it for $7.29. Can you match the price? They put me on hold. They came back and they said, yeah, we can match the price. So I said, oh, good. So there you go. I probably wouldn't have bought it for $9.99. Definitely not. I don't think it's worth that, but okay, it's on standby. Start her up, warm her up there. Let's get a guitar. Let's get a guitar here. Let's see. Get the blue mist over here. Get some blue mist. All right. And let's see what's up with this. We'll get a jack, plug her in. We'll use Les Paul standard with the DiMaggio Super Distortion. I haven't picked up a guitar in so long. Out of the box, this guitar. Still in tune. I'm not even gonna hook up the foot switch right now. So let me get a jack and let's see what is up with this. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what we come up with. What kind of sounds we're gonna get out of this thing? It's gonna sound like garbage, like some people say, or is it gonna sound good? We shall see. Looks beautiful. All right. Put my glasses on here. Let's see what is up. It's on the ultra gain right now. And we'll put on the green channel ultra gain. Let's turn up the master here, somewhere around here. Master, so I'm not sure how these two masters work yet, but let's see, master select 1, 2. Okay, yeah, so you get to set one master higher if you want to use that as like a, for leads, solos, when you're playing live. So let's see what's going on here. Let's turn this up to midway, I guess. I'm gonna set this the way I would set a Marshall. And let's see if that works out. Because I have the JCM 2000. So that was made in England. It was in 2004 that I bought that. So I'm going to kind of set it up the same way. I'll keep the gain down a little. Let's see, volume. Can't really blast it here where I am, but let's see what's going on here. High power, low power. I'll try with the high power. Let's see what's going on here. Turn this volume down. Uh-oh. Well, put on stand like it would help if I plug it in the guitar. That would help. Okay. Let's see what's up here. I'm setting it the way to tone shift. I'll take that out. Overdrive on overdrive. That's where I'm gonna put it, right there. Oh shit! This shit's loud, man. It got a lot of. There's a little noise in. Let me turn the gain. Let me turn this down a little. I hear a lot of noise there, man. Yeah, I'm afraid to even turn this down a little. Let me put it on the low power. That's a lot of noise, man. Let's see. Presence. It's just, you hear that? What is that noise? Let's see, move away a little. That's weird. What is that? That's fucked up. Let me try Master 2. Off. Master 2. So weird. Now what's going on? Oh, That's because they switch it over. Let me switch it back there. A swooshy noise in the background there, man. Let's see. That's it. I'm almost waiting for that noise to go away. Weird, right? Maybe it's just this chord. Let's see. Let's change the chord. I don't think it is. This is a pretty good chord. Let's see. That's a disappointment right off the bat. All that noise. This is not such a great chord, so we'll try this jack. Let's see. Maybe it's a chord. I don't think so. Let's check this out. We shall check this out now. See why the hell it's making all that noise. I'm not sure. People say that it's noisy. I mean, I'm going to try putting a noise gate in the effects loop, but same shit. Oops. Which one do we do here? Classic. It's still making that noise. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't like it though. A lot of noise. Sounds like a bad tube. It's bullshit, right? You might not be able to hear it on the camera over there, but I'm gonna try putting it. Oops. I don't know, man. Very disappointing. It's like a wind noise you hear. It sounds like it's a tube. It's usually the sound of a bad tube or a loose tube. Right? I mean, the amp sounds good, except for that noise. What? All right. Pause this. I don't know what that noise is. God.